walking and photography have pretty much been my medicine for my entire adult life. If I don't get out and about and get some fresh air, preferably on a daily basis, I start to feel, stress levels start to increase. I start to get headaches, I get heart palpitations, various things start to happen. So and recently I haven't been out as much as I'd have liked. So I'm back out again now, walking every single day, trying to get at least kind of 5 miles in on my local lanes. So really what I try and do at this time of the year, while the hedges are bare and the verges are, the growth on the verges is still really low, or maybe it's been cut recently, is I go out litter picking. It's just one way really I can pay back for all the benefits I feel I get from being out here. Well, that is basically 1 mile of countryside back lane.